Hi guys, I hope you're good. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Miss Gabrie. For those who are new, you are most welcome. Today I am going to the site to see how the workers are doing with the bricks. So I wanted you to tag along with me. Let's go. Hey guys, so there has been a bit of a situation. My uncle went ahead of me, and this time I've come alone and I seem to have forgotten the way. Do not worry, I know the way back from where I'm from, but there are two roads and I can't figure out which one exactly is the right one. Oh my god, may the Lord help me. I'm just going to go with this one. I really do not remember the way at all, in fact, but I'm just hoping it's this one. Guys, I remember we passed the swamp, right? So okay, we just pray we reach. Well, do not worry, I actually took the right road and we are on the right track. Guys, we made it. We have reached. So this is how in my village we make bricks used for building houses. This is the starting process of how they make good quality bricks out of clay. So right now we are in a process of mixing the clay together. Very soon we'll be making the bricks. Yeah, but this is clay, meaning the bricks are going to be very strong.
Cold pots for cooking.
This clay is what we use for making our local pots for cooking. So they are getting water just from the swamp and straight here. And they're going to mix and start making bricks. So I am going to go playing in the mud. Although I'm wearing a dress, but I have boots, which are very important. So let's try to go maybe help them fetch water or just play in the mud.
You pour water for them.
Okay.
You pour water for them in their containers.
Okay. This feels nice. Kelly. Let me first tie my dress.
You tie.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
You fill that container with water.
Okay.
You add. Okay, that one is already enough.
Enough?
Let somebody pick and you replace with another one.
Okay. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Yes, if you stand for long, as you are standing, it is
Sinking.
Yes, it's sinking.
I think I can try again.
Okay, me a dog again. Me a dog.
No, let him finish. Let me finish.
Okay. for you, it was taking you a lot of time to fill it.
I'm
Okay,
going to try my best to hurry.
yeah. Mm.
Whoa.
Mm. Mm.
I don't think I'm good at this.
Although not so fast, but
I think this one is full.
mm. Okay, you come back now.
I come back?
You want to fill that one?
I was enjoying.
Okay, you fill, and then you come. Me, I cannot stand for long.
Oh, alright.
Mm.
Let me give him back.
Yeah.
Here.
Ule gami, and pa chung na hana. Otherwise, thank you.
Welcome.
Mm.
Thank you for being the cameraman.
Thank you too.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Guys. Thank you, Uncle. This is, it's okay. This is where the water is coming from. There's like small passage here. Even here. That's why. Ooh. Guys, I like water. So right now they are pouring water so that they can mix the clay, so that tomorrow most probably they may start with making bricks. These guys are doing such a great job, and I hope that in the next video I may be able to show you how they actually make bricks. So they're just pouring water so they can soften the clay, because you're going to start molding the bricks tomorrow.